What's your language?
Telugu.
Oh.
I will teach you some words in Telugu. You will repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
మీరు చాలా బాగున్నారు. మీరు చాలా బాగున్నారు.
మీరు చాలా బాగున్నారు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. I know.
What's that meaning?
You are looking handsome. You visit Hyderabad? No, you miss lot of things, including me also. So come Hyderabad.
Bro.
If anyone girl come and tell like bro, and we will don't take like that brother. We will take like that a brother-in-law.